Hey guys, so happy to see you back here in this week's review. In case you missed, the live video, no worries, because I'm going to give you a whole boatload of information. Number one, I would like to thank the person who reached out to me and sponsored Cover Your Assets. That's the game we unboxed last week. As you'll see, highly recommended, so check out the links below and pick this up. The next game I unboxed is Flash. This is a game I picked up. I love dice games. I've seen a lot of your channels, both here and on Instagram. A lot of people like dice games, so I felt that Flash would be a great game. So if you liked any of these two games, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll know. And check out all the description box below because I have a link to all these games. And don't forget to stay tuned to the end so you can see the reveal of next week's game. Hey guys, welcome. Thank you for joining Binos Estamalka on another game unboxing. Today's game we're going to unbox is Flash. This is a game that I personally saw. I hate to say it, I like dice. So when I saw all these dice, I'm like, we're getting this game. But before we unbox this game, Flash, I'm going to give you a review of last week's game, Cover Your Assets. Now, I have to say, Cover Your Assets totally blew me away. I'm just going to give you a quick look at it because, I mean, look at this. This is a teeny game, and the kids, basically, they build decks of assets. You have silver, which is a wild card, and you have coin collections, which is $10,000, and, I mean, I'll just give you a few more because I loved it. You have stamp collections, which is $5,000, and so on and so forth. And the goal of Cover Your Assets is to be the first player to reach $1 million. So I played it with my nephews. They are, I believe, 9 to, let's say the 6-year-old joined us, and unbelievable. To the 9 and the 8-year-old, they kind of knew, place value, but I was teaching the little ones place value. Could you believe it? Like, we had this whole family, range of kids, and they were all learning place value because of this game. And I, as an adult, I like, oh, I'm stealing yours and I'm stealing yours and I'm going to build my wealth, and then boom, whoever has $1 million first is the winner. I will admit we were slightly confused by the overall scoring at the end, but you know what? It's a learning curve. We've only played it twice, so I am so excited to continue playing Cover Your Assets. This is a game that I really can enjoy with the kiddos. And this game was actually sent to us by someone who asked for a wish list, saw this game on it, and was like, ooh, I want to support math. If you want to support math as well, feel free to message me, and I will send you a link to our wish list, and in which case you can also, send us a game that will be unboxed here, along with, you'll let me know if you want to remain anonymous or you want to shout out to your channel 3 weeks in a row. Super excited. Now for this game, like I said, this was my game. I have a thing for dice games. I don't know what it is. I just adore dice games. I like dice, I like rolling it, and I like the sound of it. I guess that's what it is. Anyway, so let's review Flash. This is from Blue Orange Games, and for the most part, I've been relatively happy with Blue Orange Games. So another reason to buy it. This game is in this little carry thing. It's not, Cover Your Assets is a small game, so it's a relatively small game, as you can see here. My main concern is it does not look like a game that will fit back in this box, but we'll check it out. So I'm not going to actually review the box because, like I said, I'm not sure. Oh no, we're having probably. Doesn't want to open. So for my first, like I said, looking at this game, I would assume it's more just a fun game because you know what? You need your balance of fun. If you've been watching me and coming back and forth, turn everything into learning, but we can also have some fun. There we go. All it is was one sticker dot, and it does not want to open. So if you're going to buy Flash, have a scissor on hand. Okay, there we go. There we go. So much easier. It is a cute box. I will give it credit, whether the dice stay in here or not. Such a cute box. Oh, everything comes out. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff in here, which again, when I'm just looking at this, I don't really think that. So cool. You have the Flash instructions. Let's check them out. Okay, so they're one paper. Not too bad. One paper of instructions. And actually a big portion of it is images, so that's really, really good to know. Love images. I'm a visual learner, so just to see these images really saves me a lot of time in playing games and trying to figure it out. Next, I guess there's some sort of scoreboard. So you have 6 of a kind, 3 pairs, all even, 4 of a kind, all odds, 3 of a kind, straight, and flash. So I guess that's what we're scoring. Based on the score sheet, you'll tell me if I'm right or wrong. It kind of reminds me of Yahtzee. I've never myself actually played Yahtzee, but from the people in my family that have, this is kind of the vibe I get. Like, you have to make different sets of cards and figure out the numbers. Oh, I like this. It comes with an additional pencil. To me, that is such a nice gesture, especially if like you're opening it and like you gift it at a holiday, and it's the little details that count. The kids have a pencil, they can play right away. I know I don't carry pens or pencils around, and I'm always stuck in a pickle. So if you are giving it as a holiday gift, such a nice touch. Not necessary, but love the nice touches. Next, you have, I would call it the flash bag, the lightning fast game. So this is kind of cute. It's a mesh bag. It actually feels pretty sturdy. This flash logo is actually sewn into the bag, and it feels like canvas, so this is nice. This isn't big either, so that's another bonus. As you know, I don't like big, I have a lot of big games, but smaller games means more games. More games means more I could share with you guys, so I like that. And last, we have the dice, so I'm going to open them up. Boy, they are stuck on and stuck on well. So just back to my original thing, they are not going to fit back in this box, so just so you should be aware. Boy. Okay. This game was so well put together. Woo! They do not want to come out. All right, so let's go through. First, we have these tiles. I noticed you have a purple 2. We have a blue 1. They're nice. They're kind of heavy. They're weighted. I like that. Orange 4. Yellow. Yellow 5. He wants to jump away. Yellow 5. They're kind of like these nice little stars. And we have a green 3. I like it. They're nice. The stars. You got the logo in the back. And last but not least, we have the red 6. So I guess we'll play it over the weekend. Sure. Next, we have all the dice. Look at my favorite, these dice. These are, I'm not comparing it, but they feel slightly smaller. Not much, but like to the average die. Not such a big deal, but just something you should know. And they come in, each one is its own color with the flash, which I'm assuming is special on one side. So you have the same colors to match the, it looks like to match the stars. So we have our purple, you have the green, you have orange. So again, they're regular dice with the flash logo, and they each match the tile here. And this game is really simple overall to open up, and of course yellow. And I just want to point out yellow. Yellow is usually difficult to see. This is not, it's not your bright neon yellow. Like, oh my gosh, I can't see what I'm doing. So huge plus. And cleanup is going to be a breeze. Just scoop it up, put it in the bag. And for me, that's another thing that I look at when I open up games is how on earth am I going to store or clean up the game, especially like this looks like for more younger children. I'll just confirm, 7 to adults. So if I'm going to give it to my 10-year-old or 7-year-olds, I'd like a game that they can easily put away and I don't have to worry about all the pieces everywhere. And then just like, no buts, this is relatively simple and it stays nicely in this bag. So cool. I'm really excited to play Flash. As far as next week's game goes, I want to tell you this fantastic story. So thank you to all my followers, viewers for stopping by. But someone actually reached out to me. They were scrolling on Amazon and they said, I found a really cool game I think you should have. It's a math game. They reached out to me. I said, okay, sure. Gave them the information. And number 1, I'm going to show it to you. Number 2, they asked to remain anonymous. Number 3, if you find a game that you think we should have and will enhance our work with play-based education, well then again, be like that person, message me and I'll give you more details. But anyway, this game over here was given to me. This is called Problem Solved. Now, I know nothing about it. It is not by a seller I've ever heard of. I've actually tried to research the seller, and from my understanding, they only make this one game. And this game says over here, we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division all rolled into one game. So when your kids have officially learned all 4 math properties, my personal biggest fear is learning slide. Because you know what? You need to keep practicing. And this game has it all. So if you want any information on Problem Solved or the link, if you would like to add Flash to your collection before next week, or if you think Cover Your Assets was as fun as I do, well then, no worries. Check out the link above, head over to our YouTube channel, and in which case I will post a replay of this unboxing along with all the links. So you'll head over to YouTube, check out the description, and click on any game you want. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you next week for the unboxing of Problem Solved. So cool. Before you guys go on with your days, again, don't forget to check out the links below because I have everything. Cover Your Assets, highly recommend. Flash, super excited to share. And of course, you saw the story on next week's game, Problem Solved. If you would like to send us a game or 2 or 3 and would like to have shout outs and all that stuff, well then, no worries. Head over to my Instagram account, and in which case, message me and let me know what game you would like to sponsor or how you would like to be part of this. B'nai Sester Malka is a program in which we really work on helping the children love learning through play every single day. And if you would like to be part of that, well then, now you can. Again, send us games, whatever you want. There's also a link below to our wish list, so can't wait to see you guys on next week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and head over to Instagram for more. Thank you guys so much for all you do. Keep on playing.